solar, and then you got the wind turbines right behind it.
Yeah, it's
Who
a
would
cool
have thought
setting,
in northwest Iowa, in a hot day like today, we're creating a whole lot of energy.
So today we had Senator Ernst and Secretary Mike Naig from the Iowa Department of Agriculture join us out here at some hog facilities around Marcus, Iowa. We're showing off some solar arrays that were completed last fall for the Dorr family down here.
Electricity rates continue to go up every year. These barns have been in existence since '07. They have a useful life, and I don't even want to think about the next generation that's going to own these and what their utility bill would be. I mean, that was a big driver. It had to be. We had to get these costs out.
There are different tax credits that are available both through the state and the federal government. So there's an investment tax credit that you'll see.
That's the other thing I find so exciting about this is, again, and I get to see this every day, and you do too, Senator, across the state, is farmers really being innovative in how they're addressing their operations and the costs in their operations. And also, again, that environmental sustainability piece that we all know is so important.
Overall, this project encompassed 595 DC kilowatts of solar across 6 hog facilities, producing a little over 788,000 kilowatt hours per year. These projects will eliminate 95% of the electric consumption for these facilities. Blue Horizon Energy handled all aspects of the project's design and construction and also assisted with the financing.
I do have an app on my phone. We can track these every day, see how they're performing. I live in Austin, Texas, which is fun in the sense that I can look at the app and I can see what they're doing for production, and then I can tell what the weather's doing in Marcus, Iowa. Griffin and his team have been nothing but professional 100%, and so we're just honoring our family and saving the planet and keeping things green and cutting out our electricity bills.